In the next 48 hours, gold could move that can shock most traders, and the scary part is 90% of the people are not prepared for it. Because right now something unusual is happening on the chart. Okay, gold stuck between two powerful zones. As we have seen, the price is not making a sharp rise as well as sharp fall. Okay, today also what we have seen, the price has is moving slightly downside, but if you see from a level of around 5239, we have seen the price has continuously downside, but it is has not made a sharp fall or a sharp rise. Okay, so in this video, what would I be explaining you with the help of 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, and then finally daily chart. So you will understand how these analysis will help you to determine where the price can go. Okay, now on the daily chart, if you see, I'll show you a 15 minutes chart after this daily chart, so you'll understand how the price will move. If you see a daily chart, you will see that the price is continuously moving down. Okay, from 4 or 5 days there is a continuous downfall, but if you see from 2 days, previous 2 days, it was moving in a particular zone. This is the zone where it was moving, and as soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen it has made a low of around 4927. This is what we can see, the price has moved. Okay, because if you see this particular trend, it was forming this particular level. Okay, and if you see, the zone has breakout today. Okay, that is where the price has come down. Now if you see, this was a flag pattern, you can say, and as soon as it started going below a level of 5047, there was a probability that it can break this particular zone and a further downfall can be seen. Okay, but if it keep moving again above a level of 5068, it will come again in this zone. If it goes above a level of 552 $28, then we can see there can be a further rise. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, if you see a bigger picture of daily time frame, you will see closely that the gold is respecting a certain strong zone on the upside, acting on both support and resistance, which is acting at around 5227 and a level of around 4985. That if the price started moving in this zone, we will see it will hit in this particular level. Every time price comes, we see a good reaction between buy and sell. They moves in this particular level. Right now we are back in that same zone. If the price started going above a level of 4980, this is where things get interesting. The previous candle are showing hesitation, not strong bullish momentum, which tells us buyers are there, but they are not in full control yet. When the market behaves like it usually means one thing, a breakout is coming. But the real question is which side the market will break. If you see this particular trend, I've clearly mentioned you that the trying to go down, okay, it has already break this particular level. So remember that from 4 days it is trying to go a continuous downside. So remember, if the price started falling below this level, a strong 4884, because that is the level where we can see is the first support. After that, support 2 is 4875, and once the price falling below this level, we can see a level of $48.56, then to a level of 48.29. Once the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $47.65, and if the price moving below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards 4700. There is a zone breakout happens, as you can see looking at this chart, and chances can be high a further fall can be seen towards a level of 46.655, and if the price going below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards $46.32. Okay, but if it keep moving upside, it can move towards $5017, and from there a further upside can be seen 5040. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout towards an upside, so chances will be high it will move towards $5127, and from there a further high can be seen towards 5173. Okay, and if started going upside, as I already mentioned you that 5228 is a strong level. If it keep moving in this zone, we will see that it will be a breakout towards an upside, so we can see the price can go further high. Looking at a 2 hour chart, we have seen the breakout already happen towards downside, and chances will be high that the price can go towards a level of 4911, which is a support one, and if the price falling below this level, chance of going towards 4903 is there, which is support 2. If the price falling below that particular level, we can see a level of 4885, okay, which is support 3, and once the price fall below this level, chance of going towards 4857 can be seen. From there a further fall can be seen towards $48.38. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further low. But if it started going upside, it can move towards next level, which is coming at a level of 4970, which is R1. And if the price going up that level, we can see a level of 4974, which is an R2. Suppose if the price rising above that particular level, chances are very high it will move further upside towards $5,000, which is an R3. And if the price going up, it will touch a level of 5013, which is R4, and then there will be a zone breakout. So probability is touching 5043 will be there, and then further upside towards 5069. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside. Back on a 15-minute chart, you can see the price has touched this level after a very long time, so we can see the price will go towards downside and it will go towards 4906, and then there will be again a further fall towards 4885 and then further fall. Trailing your SL is very important by $15 to $20, so at least you'll capture downside movement. But if it started rising, we can see it can go towards 4968. From there a bounce back can come, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will move again in this zone. So trail your SL again by $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. It can move towards 4994, then to a level of 5013. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout towards the upside of 5032, then to a level of 5045, and then we will see it will go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.